Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to this video. Today we want to learn how we can install Python on our Linux. The first thing is that we should check the Python website, which is python.org, and here you can see the last Python release. It's Python 3.9. By default, if when you install Linux, it already has Python. But let's see if our Linux has Python or not. So sudo apt get install Python 3 here. Yes, you can see that Python 3 is already the newest version, and let's check for Python 9. So I mean Python version which we see now. Yes, now we are installing Python 9. It takes a little bit and we will wait. So now it's finished. Let's see if Python 3.9 is installed or not. So here again, yes, you can see that Python 3.9 is already installed. Just in case if you have a problem and when you are installing Python, maybe it's because of that you don't have a build essential, just install this and then you will you will have no problem. Install, this one, apt-get install build essential. So download and install it. So then you will have no problem. After this, now we want to install pip, which is a package manager for Python, and now we will see if we have it or no. So by default we don't have it, and we will try to install package manager of Python on our machine. Okay, just we use the same command and just we write pip, and now yes. So we should a little bit wait to this pip to be installed. Okay, now let's see version of our pip. Yeah, here you can see it's pip version 20, and that's it. So it was for today. I hope that you enjoy this video, and so see you.